The social media team of the Yogi government, engaged in the campaign to provide employment to the youth, has committed a blunder today. A video of a young man who got the job of accountant was released from a Twitter handle of Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. In this video, the young man has praised Yogi Adityanath, the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. However, opposition Samajwadi Party has said that it is an old video. The young man got a job during the Samajwadi Party government, and that video is now being shown, the opposition has accused. After this embarrassment, the Chief Minister's office swung into action and the video and tweet have been removed. But the opposition has opened an all-out attack against the government's employment policy and job creation process. According to the reports, the Yogi Adityanath government has been targeted by the opposition over its claim of giving jobs to millions of youth. The opposition, on the other hand, has alleged that the youth that sought employment from the government was beaten up by lathis on various instances. The opposition has alleged that during the 4 years of the state government, the youth demonstrated for various recruitments, but they were beaten and arrested. In response to this charge of the opposition, the government is claiming that 4 lakh youth have been given jobs in the state. In this connection, a video was released from Yogi Adityanath's social media account. This video is of Durgesh Chaudhary of Maharajganj district. He claimed that he got the job of accountant in the state government. In this video, Durgesh Chaudhary has praised the Chief Minister for the smooth and transparent recruitment process. He said that he got the job without any discrimination and in a fair way. He has praised the Chief Minister for the fair recruitment process. He thanked Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath for the time-bound results of the examination conducted for the government job and for the transparent selection process. He said he has been appointed with full transparency to the post of revenue accountant. With this video going viral on social media, its reality also came to the fore. People said that Durgesh Chaudhary got a job during the Samajwadi Party government in 2015-16. The praise he has given is for former Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav. Because he did not name the Chief Minister in his video statement, the Chief Minister's social media team included it in the achievements of the Yogi government. Samajwadi Party leaders have also criticized it. Many other users have also described this negligence as the act of false presentation by the government. When this discussion intensified on social media, this video released from Yogi Adityanath's handle was deleted, but by then many people had saved it. Now people are cracking jokes over the development, saying that Durgesh Chaudhary, who got the job of accountant, has now become unemployed because the claim made by the government has been removed. Another user has put a photo of Durgesh Chaudhary's car purchase and said that he has bought the car as soon as getting the job appointment letter.
राजस्व लेखपाल की भर्ती आई सरकार के द्वारा, जिसमें हमने लिखित परीक्षा भी दिया। उसके बाद से हमारा नाम इंटरव्यू के लिए भी सिलेक्शन हुआ। इंटरव्यू देने के बाद फिर हमारा फाइनल रिजल्ट आया, जिसमें मैं राजस्व लेखपाल पद पे चयनित हो गया था। इस दरमियान हमारी लिखित परीक्षा से लेकर अंतिम सिलेक्शन तक पूरी निष्पक्षता के साथ वर्क किया गया था इस पे सिलेक्शन प्रोसीजर में। और उसके बाद हमने इस विभाग में आने के बाद भी हमें काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिला। अंतिम व्यक्ति तक पहुंचकर उनको लाभ देने का मौका मिला। गरीब असहाय जो भी सरकार की योजनाएं वर्तमान में आ रही हैं, अच्छी से अच्छी योजनाएं हैं, जिसको क्रियान्वयन करने में हम लोगों को बहुत ही उत्साह और अच्छा लगता है। ये योजनाएं कल्याणकारी और गरीब लोगों के हित में हैं। हमारे माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी उत्तर प्रदेश को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं, जो हमारा सिलेक्शन प्रोसीजर राजस्व लेखपाल का पूरी ही निष्पक्षता के साथ अंतिम पड़ाव तक पहुंचा।
काम दमदार योगी सरकार।
Hello everyone, HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
The emerging backbone of India's economy are our startups. They represent India's youth. They represent India's aspirations. They represent India's hopes. They represent our fight against an insensitive bureaucracy, against an insensitive system. They represent the fight of our startup entrepreneurs against an indifferent system, against an insensitive banker, against challenges of dealing with the government, and against all the odds with which they started a startup. Every startup begins with a brilliant idea, a unique idea, an idea which nobody else thought of, and that becomes a business enterprise. We are starting our next episode series on what we call startup stories. It is a curiosity to know what was that idea, what was the motivation, what was the determination because of which one talented entrepreneur, without any background of business perhaps, decided to venture out on his own and create a successful enterprise. These are the ideas that motivate us also. If you have a startup story which is interesting, we would want to talk to you also. Come back to us with your own startup stories, and you might also be the person we would like to talk to.